Hi, I'm Hilary Talbot, acupuncture physician and clinical herbalist coming to you from Acupuncture and Herbal Therapies. Today we will be talking about self-acupressure. Now, you don't have to be clinically trained in acupressure to understand how great it can feel or to use it on yourself. Most of us intuitively do this when we're experiencing things like muscle aches or a headache, just pressing on the area that's in pain. So I'm going to show you one point here today that I often do on myself when I'm experiencing nausea. It's known as P6. It's between the two tendons here on the inside of the arm, just after the vein crosses. I often will apply pressure to this area if I'm experiencing nausea, especially in a place where I can't go home and lay down. No one even needs to know what you're doing. You can just simply have a conversation and press on this point. Again, like I said, most of us use these points intuitively, so when we have a headache, pressing on taiyang, which is just basically the temples in a circular motion, or at the base of the neck with the thumbs to relieve a tension headache starting at the back of the head. I'm Hilary Talbot, and that was self-acupressure.